Now I'm going to show you how you can actually convert from one cryptocurrency to another in your Binance account. So when you log into your Binance account, you'll see a trade we just saw buy crypto, right? And on buy crypto, we saw something like bank deposit. You want to do a swift transfer, credit, peer-to-peer, third party. All right, all these falls under buying of crypto. All right, so you want to also go to the market. Market is just where you see crypto, but right now what I'm interested in showing you is trade, how you can actually convert crypto from, let's say I have BNB right now and I want to convert it to USDT. How do I do that? I'll just go to trade here. Once I click on trade, and I'll click on Binance convert. So I want to convert this, so I'll click on Binance convert. And once I click on Binance convert, I will allow it to load. Okay, so once it's loaded, I want to convert, say you must have something to convert it to something, right? So let's assume that you have BNB here, like I have BNB 0.05 BNB, and I want to actually convert this into, let's say I have 0.05 BNB, and I want to convert this 0.05 BNB to maybe BUSD or maybe to USD. So I'll click here and I'll select USDT, for example, and I'll click like that. And don't forget, you always put the amount here, 0.05, all right, 0.05, okay, and I'm converting it to USDT. So once I click on preview, it will tell me if I really want to convert this, and this is what I'm going to have, and I'll just say yes. And once I say yes, I click on it like this, and I'm converting BNB to USDT, and it will tell me success. Once it shows success, it means that I have just converted my funds from BNB Smart Chain Network to USDT. So here it's very simple for you to convert your funds from one types of crypto to another, or from one types of token to another crypto.